Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday, December 4th, possibly. I'm not really sure of the exact date. So I have some errands to run, and Fridays are cleaning days. It's like religious. Thursday nights I clean upstairs. I do like all the countertops and the toilets upstairs. And then Fridays I clean downstairs and vacuum and do the floors as well. That I will be doing a little bit later. I've got some errands to run. I first have to head up north 30 minutes to actually like my hometown where I lived for, I don't know, like 20 something years of my life. But I am going to be donating a whole bunch of new makeup throughout the year that I've gotten either sent to me or from subscription boxes. It's a lot of makeup, and I donate it to a domestic abuse shelter. So I do that every year. If you guys are wondering what I do with all my unused makeup that's new, I like to donate it. So I've got to head up there and do that. Then I've got to pick up my groceries at Walmart. A few weeks ago, I switched my grocery day to Fridays, so I've got to go pick up my groceries. I do the online order through the app and then I pick it up, so I'm not in the grocery store for a very long time. It's very convenient. I've got to go there. I think I've got to go to Target, and then I've got to go to my pharmacy, and I think I have to go to the UPS store to return something from Amazon. I think that's it. Probably some Dunkin' Donuts peppermint mocha coffee in my near future, like within the next 20 minutes. Definitely will be picking up that. So I figured I would vlog today. This is the bag that I am going to be donating. It's actually an old Ipsy Generation beauty bag, as you guys can see. And I just have it filled to the brim with like cosmetics, skincare, all different things, obviously all new. So I am going to be walking this over right now. I want to show you, this is my hometown, and they decorate so nicely for the holidays. As you guys can see, this is about a half hour from where I live right now, but it's a really busy downtown area. Okay, so I just got home and unloaded all of the groceries. I've got some water there. I'm just gonna quickly kind of show you guys what I got, but I'm excited because I went to Target and they had this new Dunkin' coffee flavor, Polar Peppermint. It's like a white chocolate ground coffee, I don't know. So I wanted to give that a try. I have hazelnut over there too. These are really good, these toasted veggie chips. Yeah, just some odds and ends, a whole bunch of different stuff. This is my husband's bread. It's really good. And these right here I use for oatmeal M&M cookies, and that's what this oatmeal is for, but they're really good. And then over here, these were out of stock at Walmart, so I picked them up at Target. We've got eggs, we've got creamer. I've got peppermint mocha in the fridge, but I decided to pick this one up. We've got pasta, stuffing, panko breadcrumbs, paper towels, and paper towels are really hard to find lately. These I've mentioned in many videos, cocoa roasted almonds, oh my goodness, from Walmart. Granola, spinach. I had to go to Target for these because these are like, they've been out of stock for weeks at Walmart, and this is the smaller box. This is my favorite thing to snack on. I absolutely love them. Definitely better than Goldfish and healthier for you. And then that's just my husband's cereal. I've got a bunch of soup, blueberries, more stuffing, orange juice, egg whites, Texas toast, apples, chicken. There's koala. No, I did not get koala at the grocery store. She gets excited when I come home from grocery shopping. She just gets excited to see everything and see if there's any plastic bags she can lick, but we don't do plastic bags in New York anymore. Then I've got, some onions. I think that's a cantaloupe right there. I've got lemons. I've got romaine meatloaf because I'm going to be making pasta bolognese, so the recipe called for meatloaf. So yeah, that's kind of like everything in a nutshell, and koala is going to help me put everything away, and we are going to get to cleaning. And I forgot to show you guys, I did stop at Dunkin', and that is peppermint mocha, and it is delicious. I get it with 2 pumps of the peppermint mocha and a splash of almond milk. This is a medium. And then I picked up a sympathy card for my aunt because they had to put her dog down a few days ago because of cancer. And especially during this time of year, it's really not something you want to go through. And I 100% know what she's going through because we're coming up on Coda 1 year of us having to put him down because of cancer. So I got her that card, and then I ordered her, hopefully she's not watching, I ordered her this angel right here, but it's holding a dog instead. So I thought that would be a really nice gift to send her. So I just wanted to share that with you quickly. Hey guys, happy Monday. It is December 7th. I think the last time I talked to you was a few days ago. I didn't vlog the rest of the day because my back was killing me. You guys know I have fibromyalgia. I was in a lot of pain, so I ended up taking a bath and just relaxing over the weekend. So I just got out of physical therapy. I'm doing physical therapy because I've been having neck issues and my tingling. This time of year with the cold weather, my fibro really acts up. So I just got out of physical therapy and I can breathe again. I had to wear a mask for an hour. But anyways, I am going to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm going in for batteries, but I wanted to scope out and see what else they have, and I was going to take you guys along with me and show you guys what they have as well. I know they're going to have a lot of cute Christmas decor, but I really don't need any, but we will see what I end up picking up. Again, only going in for batteries. I get my batteries there because it's so much cheaper than if I was to buy them somewhere else because everything is $1. Then I have to go... actually, I was going to go get a car wash because I do pay monthly for that and I probably should utilize it. So I'm going to go get a car wash and then I need to go to the post office and mail something out. And then I'm probably going to relax. So let's go to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to drive there and I'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay, so I'm about to go in Dollar Tree. This is the mask that I'm sporting today. If you're looking for cute, cheap masks, try Shein.com. I'll try to link this one if I can. But all their masks are like $2, $3. Actually, in my glove compartment, I have this one. I haven't worn this one yet. And then this one right here is like one of my favorites. It's got like butterfly rhinestones on it. And then this one I might have shown you before in like a what's in my bag video. But all of these are like $2, $3 and they're from Shein. So that's where I get them. I thought this one for like the holidays was nice. So we're going to go in Dollar Tree and see what they have. So do you see all this cutlery? Typically at Walmart, I pay a lot more money. This is all the silverware that looks like real silverware, but it's plastic. And that one's really sparkly. I might have to pick that one up. Okay, so I just got home and put my pajamas on. I think you guys saw these in one of my like recent hauls. These are from Kohl's, and my husband has the matching pajamas to these. And I love it. He loves them. I didn't think he was gonna like them. I like want to get him like more pajamas. I don't know, but yeah, so currently we're both wearing the same pajamas right now. But anyways, so yeah, it was a little tricky to vlog in the Dollar Tree because there were so many people in the Dollar Tree. So I kind of just wanted to get in and get out, but I do want to share with you, kind of do like a quick little haul of what I got at the Dollar Tree. I didn't get too many items, but I did want to share with you. You can get some great things there, especially Christmas decor, ornaments. I mentioned in my Christmas home decor house tour video, a lot of ornaments that are on my tree are from the Dollar Tree. You would never know. So they have really cheap, Christmas items. But before I show you what I got, I want to show you the, I guess they're considered Christmas cookies that I made. When was it? It was like 2 days ago I made them. I've never made them before and they are so good. Okay, so this is them and I already started eating this cookie right here. But basically they're made from Crisco and you roll them and then you roll them up in cinnamon. There's other ingredients as well, but my husband loved them and he's usually like a chocolate type of person. He loved these. They're so delicious, but I want to show you the cookbook that I got them from is this book right here. I recently got this a little while ago on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But it's the Happy in a Hurry cookbook. If you guys are familiar with Fox and Friends in the Morning, that's Steve Doocy and his wife. And this is their, I think their second cookbook that they put together. They have some really delicious recipes. I really want to try this one out. And they're all like relatively quick. So I'm going to try to flip to the one where the Christmas cookies are. I've done like a chicken Milanese in the air fryer already from this and it's really good. So these ones are called Christie's Christmas cookies. And honestly, the ingredients are very minimal. The only ingredient I actually had to go out and purchase was the cream of tartar. I do not own that, but everything else, it does take a little bit to whip everything together, but you guys, so delicious. They are so yummy. I am currently freezing right now, so I figured I would just film on the ground by the fireplace and warm up. So I've got my bag from the Dollar Tree. So they had a lot of great items there, but there was a lot of people in there, so I really didn't get to kind of show you as much as I wanted to. But I saw these and I'm like, this is crazy. So they're basically like, and I don't know if I needed these or not, but they're just serving dishes. They're plastic, but these are great for putting like tortilla chips in. I have like dip bowls, but these big bowls I don't really have a lot of, so I'm like, let me just get this one. It's nice and it's clear, so it'll, you know, match everything. So I got one of these for $1, and then I saw, and they had other different variation sizes. They had serving platters, but then I got this kind of like decorative one, and this one is a little bit shorter than this one, but I thought that this was nice as well. These are even good for, like, say you want to put a whole bunch of like biscuits or buns, anything like that in these. These are good. So very sturdy. I mean, not like really, really sturdy, but they will do the job, and they were $1, and from afar it actually looks like it's glass. So I got 2 of those, and then next, I mean, I don't know if I really needed it, but I got more tissue paper. So my wrapping paper and gift bags is more of like a white, either in silver or white and like gold theme. White, neutral, like my whole house. So I got this, you know, kind of, not wrapping paper, but tissue paper, if you will. Excuse me, I was like drawing a blank. I got this tissue paper right here. And side note, if you didn't already know, but you probably do, for any kind of gift wrap, wrapping paper, gift bags, tissue paper, go to the cards for that matter, go to the Dollar Tree, because you will be paying more money for gift wrap, unless it's after the holidays, which I did last year, and I got some really nice stuff at like Hobby Lobby and Michael's for dirt cheap. But just go to Dollar Tree, you'll save yourself some money. So I just got one of those, and then batteries was what I went in there for. So I got some, and I needed AA batteries, so I got that. I think they are selling a new brand. It's eCircuit. I don't know what brand they used to sell last time, but this is definitely a new brand that they're selling. So I got that, and then I got like a, you know, a bigger pack, same brand. I think these ones like last longer. That's why it comes with more. So I think I got like maybe 3 packs of those. I got one more right here, as you guys can see. Again, batteries. That's another thing. Just go to the Dollar Tree and get them. If you go anywhere else like Walmart, Target, they are going to be more money. I was looking for like a 9-volt battery, but they didn't have any at the Dollar Tree. So I'll have to go to Walmart for that. Then I think the rest of the items, oh, besides this, hold on. So I just got tape just in case for when I start doing like wrapping for Christmas. If this wants to focus, there we go. You get 2 packs for $1. You can't beat that of Scotch tape. Now, the rest of these items I had no intention of buying. It's all food related or candy related for that matter. But before we get into the candy, these bags, the bigger bags at Walmart or Target, are like almost $5 of the Jack Link's beef jerky. So they have these little baby bags for $1 each, and I absolutely love this beef jerky. I don't know if it's like the healthiest thing, but it's really good. So I got these little baby bags, very delicious. And then it's just all candy. My husband, I got him like a lot of his candy that he likes, and I'm debating if I want to give him this candy now, to put it in like our candy bin in the pantry, or if I want to like save some of it for Christmas, for his like stocking or whatever. I haven't really decided yet. So he loves these Lifesavers gummies. I like a lot of the candy he likes, I don't really care for, and then the candy I like, he doesn't really care for. It's kind of weird. He loves the Lifesaver gummies, and then he just loves these, you guys. The Mike and Ike's, the original fruit. Loves these. These are in his nightstand upstairs in his drawer, and like he'll eat them like randomly. He can eat whatever he wants, and he never gains a pound. So I got him those, and then these I kind of got for both of us. My husband will eat them too, just Sour Patch Kids. And that's the other thing, candy. Dollar Tree, cheap. I know they have like dollar sections at Target and Walmart, which I, you know, visit almost every week when I go with my husband, but candy is really cheap at the Dollar Tree as well. Junior Mints, I love these. I haven't purchased these in a while. They remind me of my grandma who passed, I want to say like, I don't know, about 10 years ago. I miss her. But when I was a little girl, she used to buy these all the time. She actually loved them. So that's where, you know, I started eating them from. So I was like, let me buy some Junior Mints. And then related to that, and I honestly don't even know if I needed to buy these because I have the holiday ones in my pantry. but I got some York peppermint patties. I absolutely love these. And then last but not least, this is so bad, I got the watermelon Sour Patch Kids. So yeah, it's turned into like a food haul. Went in for batteries, came out with a lot of other things, but all of that cost me $15.91, so you definitely can't beat it. So yeah, I love the Dollar Tree, so that is everything that I got. So I actually started putting some gifts and wrapping them. I did this, I think, a couple weeks ago, but I like to keep them in the dining room under this Christmas tree. But I have a lot of wrapping paper that looks like this. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's when it was on sale a few years ago. So this is like, you know, how I've been wrapping my gifts. And then I think I did, there's like a couple of them that I did with like this really fancy like ribbon. I don't even need to spend this much time wrapping gifts and making them look pretty. Toward the end, I probably won't even care, but I started to make them look pretty. And then I just have, oh yeah, these were the ones I can show you. I thought they were in the basement, but I got these last year, I think at Hobby Lobby, and they were really cheap. So I have a whole bunch of gift bags like that. They're really cute. And then I have like all this, kind of tissue paper as well, like decorative kinds of tissue paper. And then I have some cards right here. And then these are just for like gift cards. And then there is a bottle of wine in here. But yeah, it's like all just very like white and light neutral themed. And then I have a Bath and Body Works candle waiting to be wrapped for somebody, and I'm waiting for my candles to come from Candle Day because I give those away as gifts. So I think I'm going to wrap the vlog up for today. I think I'm going to do some editing, and then I want to watch a Lifetime movie. I recorded a whole bunch of Christmas Lifetime movies, I think 2 days ago. So I wanted to maybe watch one tonight before my husband gets home from work. I did just watch Princess Switched again. Last year they had on Netflix Princess Switched with Vanessa Hudgens, and that was such a good movie. So they came out with a Princess Switched again. It was really good. I watched that the other day. Operation Christmas Drop on Netflix is a really good one. I watched Holiday. That was funny, different, but it was funny. And yeah, there's probably other ones that I've seen like so many. I'll probably do that while I'm editing and waiting for my husband to come home. And I've also got a shower as well. So I will see you when I see you next. Okay, so I lied, I'm back. I just got out of the shower and I am doing this face mask right here. I've mentioned it before. This is my favorite weekly face mask. It is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial, as you guys can see right there. So I have that on my face. I keep it on for about 20 minutes and then I wash it off. It does come, like whenever you purchase this, it does come with like the maracuja oil, if that's how you say it correctly. And I like it, but I don't use it because whenever I put it on my face, my cat's hair clings to my face, so I never put that on anymore. I just put regular moisturizer on because I'm telling you, when that oil is on my face, oh my goodness, I have cat hair everywhere. It just sticks to my face. So I am gonna let this chill out for 20 minutes. And look who I found hanging out on the bed. Hi, honey. You taking your cat nap? What number cat nap is this today? She just got such a rough life, but I love her. Quali! Say hi to everybody. So I'm actually thinking about just wrapping up the vlog here. I feel like between everything I did today and the other day, it should be enough footage. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video, my next vlog. Bye.